Welcome back to Flowing Mobility Tai Chi. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you push the pai along with your Tai Chi walk to complete the learning of the brush knee or push the pai form in our 24 Yang style Tai Chi. Let's go ahead and face your left corner and hold the pai with your left hand. Your right hand is blocking your elbow and it's just prepared to block that lower area. Okay, so sort of positioned next to your elbow, holding the pai here. You're going to be pushing the pai straight at 12 o'clock, just like we did serving the hors d'oeuvre. So sit down on that left leg, right foot is empty stance. And we turn our hips, step towards 12 o'clock, just like we normally do. Push the pai, squirt your heel just a little bit. Then we weight shift back and your toe comes up, just like our Tai Chi walk. Now as we turn, we're going to turn our hands to get ready to pick that pai up with our right hand. Now we're turning towards our right corner and step in and hit your mark or get in position. Holding the pai with your right hand, blocking with the left. I sit down on the right leg, I step to 12 o'clock, push the pai and squirt the heel. The squirting the heel is optional. You don't have to do that. If your knees are not talking back to you, then you don't have to squirt the heel. Weight shift back, turn towards your left. As you turn the left hand, pick up the pai, block the elbow with your right. I think I need to step back just a little bit. Then back to 12 o'clock, brush, push, weight shift back, and just think of your end position. You're going to turn the toes, dantian hand, towards your right corner. Pick up the pai with your right hand. Left hand drops to your elbow. Step to 12 o'clock. Push the pai. Weight shift back. Turn everything. Pick up the pai with your left hand. Get into your position. 12 o'clock. Push the pai. Weight shift back, turn everything. Pick up the pai with the right and hit your position. I'm going to take a smaller step here, 12 o'clock, push the pai. Weight shift back, turn everything and into position. All right, let's try that a few more times. This time just to scramble your brain a little bit, because I know you probably want that right now. We're going to turn towards your right corner, hold the pai with your right hand. Weight on your right leg, left is empty stance, and getting into position. And now step towards 12 o'clock, push the pai, weight shift back, turn the toe, turn the dantian and the hands, pick up the pai with your left hand, follow step, 12 o'clock, push the pai, weight shift back, turn everything, pick up the pai with the right hand, step to 12 o'clock, push the pai, weight shift back, turn everything, pick up the pai with the left, 12 o'clock, weight shift back, turn everything, and back to our starting position. Okay. I bet you'd like to try that about 2 more times. Let's try it. We're towards your left corner. Which hand would you be holding the pai with if you're facing your left corner? You've got a 50% chance of getting this right. That's right, it's the left. Facing the left corner, hold the pai with the left hand. And here we are. And step, push the pie. Weight shift back, turn the toe, dantian, nose, hands. Pick up the pie with the left hand. Step to 12 o'clock, push the pie, weight shift back. Turn, pick up the pie with your right hand. I think I said that wrong. All right, let's try it again. If I'm facing my right corner, which hand would you be holding your pie with? You have 50% chance of getting this right. That's correct. You'd be holding it with your right. If you're facing your right corner, you're holding the pie with your right hand. And your weight is on your right leg. And here we are, blocking our elbow. And now let's begin. Step 2, 12 o'clock, push the pie. Weight shift back, turn everything. Pick up the pie with your left hand. Now you're facing your left corner. Step to 12 o'clock, push the pie. Weight shift back, turn everything. Pick up the pie with your right hand. And step, push the pie, weight shift back, turn everything, and set. Push the pie, weight shift back, turn everything, and we're back to our beginning position. How about we try that about 2 more times? Set up towards your right hand, right leg. Set this left one, it doesn't do anything but go along for the ride. And here we are, turn the dantian to 12 o'clock. Step, push the pie. Weight shift back, turn everything, and pick up that pie with the left, now facing the left corner. Turn your dantian to 12 o'clock, push the pie to 12 o'clock. Weight shift back, turn everything, step up, and push. And this time we ended up facing the other side. I'm going to go ahead and give you a view from the back, and we can do it together from the back. So we'll both be progressing in the same direction. Let's go ahead and face your left corner and put your left hand up holding the pie. Left weight, right foot empty. And here we begin, or here we go. Step to 12 o'clock. Weight shift back. Turn everything. Pick up the pie with your right hand. Step in. 12 o'clock. Pick up the pie with your left. 12 o'clock. Turn, pick up the pie with the right. And hold. I bet that may have been a little bit easier for you to follow from that viewpoint. I will try to bring that into our instruction together. That is our brush knee, or as I call it, push the pie. Now you have learned serve the hors d'oeuvre and push the pie. I want to make sure that you go ahead and practice those, turning off the video, maybe even going to a different room, and try those forms until you feel like you can do them independently. And it's amazing, you go to a different room and you may not remember even how to get started. It happens to all of us. And that's why you have the video. Come back, look at the video, then go to a different room and try to do this independently. It's a lot more fun when you can do this on your own. So practice serve the hors d'oeuvre and practice push the pie. And when we come back to our next lesson, what we will do is learn a little bridge between those two forms called white crane flashing wings. It's a really cool name. I didn't make that name up. And after we've learned that, then we will seam together 3 serve the hors d'oeuvres, our bridge, white crane flashing wings, and then 3 push the pies. So pretty exciting. Thank you for hanging in this far. After this, it'll go even more quickly because you will have developed what I call learning chops. So thank you for the privilege of teaching you the 24 young, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.